take a piece of chocolate, and when you want to do is you want to pair it with wine, right? The normal tasting guidelines is you take a look at it and you break it. You're looking for the snap of it. You're looking to smell it. You're looking to get a sort of sensory snapshot. You want to create a memory. What am I sensing? When you're starting out, you want to go with more general impressions. Is what I'm tasting, is what I'm smelling sweet? Do I have any roasted notes? Am I smelling anything which is burnt? Am I smelling fruit? Am I smelling flowers? Am I smelling nuts? Contrary to public opinion, you actually do want to bite and chew your chocolate. So you put it in your mouth, put it between your teeth a couple of times. Biting will give you a clue as to the texture of the chocolate that you don't get from letting it melt. And when you're done, you roll it around in your tongue. And at this point, you can aspirate. Right? And you want to get a sensory impression of the chocolate. Every single one of us has our own sense of smell. We grew up in different cultures, liking different kinds of foods and spices, and two people can taste exactly the same thing and have entirely different sensory impressions.
With wine, I'll just give you an example. I'm having a tawny port. So if I'm going to sip it, I go like this. Now, and then I go, and that's not considered poor form. What about chocolate? Would it be rude if I was in a group of chocolatiers and I went?
Absolutely. They would look at you and go, this is somebody who knows what it is that they're doing. They see you chewing. All right. If you're a real geek, what you're going to do is you're going to take your thumb and you're going to rub your thumb on the bottom of the chocolate. Right? Because that warms it up. And now you want to know, does the chocolate smell different from when it's warm? You can tell a real chocolate nerd when you're doing this because they literally have a brown nose because they've gotten the chocolate up too close and they're smelling it. Right? Smell it. Again, what I'm trying to do is just get an overall sensory impression. Put a piece of chocolate in your mouth. The chocolate completely melted with a lot of saliva in it. You want it to be very, very liquid in your mouth. You want your mouth coated. You don't want any bits of chocolate in your mouth. And then what you want to do is you want to throw a little bit of wine in your mouth. Right. Swirl it around.
Wow, that's wonderful.
And drink it down.